Hello, today we'll show you the OPPO Reno4 Pro 5G charging test. The phone will be connected to the 65-watt charger from the OPPO, and the charging technology is called the SuperSOOC. So, on the left side we got also the stopwatch that will measure the time, so we can go and start the test. But at first I'm going to plug the cable to our charger and then I will put it to the electricity. So let me do this. I plug the cable, I put it to the electricity, and right now I'm going also to rotate the device to show you the screen, and it will be at the 1% of the battery. So right now I will just plug it. And then I'm just pressing the start on our stopwatch. So let's start. And as you can see, it is on the 2%. So let's go. I'm going to turn on the smartphone to let you know what is the capacity and the current percent of the battery. And as you can see, guys, we are almost finished. So it hits the 30 minutes. I thought that we can reach the 100% under the 30 minutes, but it's still very good, 99%. So just wait a little bit. And here we are, 100% in the 30 minutes and the 30 seconds. And this technology is really amazing. It's really great. So let me know in the comments what you think about that, and remember to subscribe our channel. Of course, leave likes under the video, and if you have any other questions, you can also leave it in the comments. And if you are looking for any other tutorials or the guides, you can just check our channel. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.